This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at RE/MAX Ability Plus. This home features huge living/dining combo, eat-in kitchen with new flooring, cooktop gas with double ovens, big storage closet at top of stairs, beautiful hardwood floors, roomy master with full tub/shower, get cozy in front of floor-to-ceiling brick FRPLC and family room, LRG laundry on LL, new flooring in kitchen, and the home has been freshly painted. Walkout basement and large patio to enjoy entertaining friends and family. Roof is 7 to 8 years old, furnace, and AC 3-year-old. Come see this home, you will not be disappointed.